Little animals.
So once upon a time, there was a little bunny and a little dog. They were walking through the woods, lost. Come on. They was walking and they came upon a rainbow river and a rainbow waterfall. You had a big cat and a lion walking towards the waterfalls, and the little dog says to the lion and the big cat,
Hey there, little bunny. Do you want some water?
Yes.
"What do you say, John? We're not afraid of you."
I have a cup. Do you want to use it?
Yes. Because we are so thirsty.
And John and the little dog says,
I'm not afraid of either one of you.
Hey, I'm tired. I know how to get y'all out of here so you can go home.
and then the cat says,
What are you doing so angry? I'm just, did I see you?
then you ask them, the big cat asks them, do they want to, do you want to play?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go find.
So the big cat, the big lion, the little dog, and the little bunny, they all began playing. The sun started going down, and the lion says,
I know where it is, so follow me.
so the little bunny and the little dog followed the lion out of the woods. The big lion helped them to find their way home, and everyone lived happy ever after. The end.
The end. Good. Take a bow, guys.
Take a bow.
Done.
Take a
Good.
bow.
Good job. Good job.